Okay, hello team. This is Pila, your Durban Triple M pioneer. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to register someone on Triple M. Firstly, you go to your service engine, your search engine, and then on this address bar you type in www.rsa-triple-m.co. Okay, once you on this page here, you would notice that on your far right, top right of the page, there's a registration bar. That's where you click there, and then once that is done, you will find that you are in a form called the registration form. And on the name section, you go on the name section. That's where you put in the person's name that you're going to be registering. For instance, I'm going to be putting Mike. You can also put in a nickname if possible, but in this case I'm going to be making sure that I put in all his details, which is Mike, maybe Mike Mkize. And then on the second section, which is the email section, you make sure you write that person's correct email address, mike.m@gmail.com. Okay, once that is done, you go to the next section, which is going to be your phone number, the person's phone number. Over there you make sure that as it's written here, you put in the +27, which is the country code. That must be that's a priority. You must make sure that you put in the +27. I'm going to be making up a number 082 4584123. Yes. And once that is done, you then create a temporary password for the person joining. They can always change that password depending on how much they trust you. Okay, I'm going to be creating one, and then go to the next section, and where it says confirm password, and confirm. And then once that is done, you go to the next section, which is the invite section. On that section, this is where you tell the system that that you are registering the person. You must make sure that on that section you write in your correct email address so that there is no mistake. Yes. And then the next section is where you'll be writing your guider's email address, because whoever registers in the system needs to have a guider, because the system is normally online. So the person, whenever they have a query, they need to phone somebody, which is going to be obviously be a guider. So on that section, if you don't have a guider, here's an email address to write to. I'm a guider, so you can always use me and trust me to give you all the information you need. Okay, and then you can maybe leave this blank, or if possible, you write. If you know the guider's phone number, you can always write it down. Yes, and then on the section where it says how did you learn about us, there are options on that one too, where you go to, you open the options from SMS, another site, video advertising, banners. I normally use from friends, because normally because when I'm registering somebody, it's always on highlighted. So on the next section, you write in where it says picture code. Picture code is this section here, this code here. So you need to write in this code, type in this code here as it is. If there is a capital letter, you make sure you write in the capital letter 54 9F, and then scroll down. There's a small tick box over here. You tick that box, and then voila, you are done registering the person in Triple M. So the person can enjoy the same benefits as you are. Thank you. I will see you on the next video.